Warning! If you've noticed your favorite sideloaded apps mysteriously vanishing, or your FireStick is suddenly buffering like crazy and running like a slideshow, do not go buy a new device just yet. Amazon just pushed a super sneaky system-level update. They are quietly resetting your core permissions, tracking your private data in the background, and even auto-deleting your go-to third-party media players. We absolutely can't let that slide. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fight back and take absolute control of your device. First up, let's check if your device got hit with this latest update. Head over to the gear icon on the far right of your home screen for Settings, scroll down to My Fire TV, click on About, and then select Check for Updates. If you see a recent update installed, pay close attention because these next steps are absolutely critical. Step number 1, kill the privacy trackers. Back out to the previous menu, go to Preferences, and click on Privacy Settings. This is the very first thing I check after any FireStick update. You need to turn off interest-based ads, collect app usage data, and device usage data. Amazon uses these toggles to monitor exactly what apps you're using and what content you're consuming. We are not handing over our valuable browsing data for free. Also, if you see an option for Manage App Sharing in this list, do not hesitate, turn that off immediately. Step number 2, let's get you a clean, lightning-fast home screen. Still inside Preferences, find and click on Featured Content. Turn off both Allow Video Autoplay and Allow Audio Autoplay. This way, the next time you boot up your FireStick, you won't be blasted by loud, annoying trailers. More importantly, this frees up a ton of system RAM, making your menu navigation buttery smooth. Step number 3, and this is the most crucial one, protecting your third-party apps. Go back to the main settings menu and select Applications. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see a feature called Auto Offload. Amazon claims this is to help you save storage space, but it is notoriously bad at guessing and will automatically delete your favorite side-loaded empty shell players like TVMate or XCIP TV. To keep your setup completely safe, you must switch this to off. Always keep the control of your device in your own hands. With those settings locked in, your FireStick is now protecting your privacy and free from unnecessary background bloatware. But if you want to push your device to the absolute limit, unlock true beast mode, and get your hands on seamless, top-tier custom configurations and optimized player setups, you do not want to miss this. Click the link down in the description or the pinned comment below. I'm offering one-on-one private beast mode setup consultations and exclusive access to a premium trial pass for our inner circle. Spots are highly limited, and all the true top-tier tech enthusiasts are already waiting for you in our private community. Thank you guys, as always, for smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. Go check your FireStick settings right now, and I will see you in the next one.